What's up, guys? Android back again with a little overview of what I'm up to. If you've been following me on Facebook, you'll probably know this already. The Android SLS AI Pro. This is the software for Windows. I've just released a version for Android OS. This will be on the Google Play Store. It's still pending review. It's been like that since the 28th of December. So it's still pending review. So hopefully it'll be available for you guys shortly. It's a free app. You can go and download it, and I'm basically just going to give you an overview of what it does. So essentially what this is, I'm running it in a web view at the minute. So basically, as you can see, when I move, it's kind of highlighting my exterior figure, if you like. So basically what's happening here is if I try to keep very still, what will happen is the pixels go basically black if there's no movement. And the idea with this is you put your phone on a tripod and basically monitor an area. You can click record and record it, come back later and see if there's any movement that occurred in the video. If nothing happened, that's basically it. It can also be used for a debunking tool as well if you wish. If you're in an investigation, you have this running and basically you're all looking at a specific area. If anything moves in this field, the field of view, you're going to see it. So basically that can eliminate a lot of stuff as well. So it's not technically explicitly just for paranormal use. It can be used for that as well. It also has the stick figure overlay. People call this the SLS. It's not SLS technology by any stretch of the means. Basically what this is like a PoseNet type thing. This is using one of the AI versions, so it's basically tracking, it's looking for a person basically, so it's less likely to map to a wall socket or a cup or something like that, like those other SLS type apps. It's not going to do that. There's a bunch of little settings that you can mess around with as well. So if I go here, there's a bunch of little settings that you can do. You can change the stick figure color, for example. This means when you're in a different camera mode, so you've got normal, you've got the night camera, so basically that highlights on the green side of the hue. You have a thermal palette, and you also have this the motion AI, which is currently in at the minute. You've got a couple of settings for the motion AI. You have a sensitivity, so no, that's for the stick figure tracking. So as you can see, the less sensitive, it's not really picking me up, but the more sensitive, it will more likely pick you up, or humanoid figures. Here we have the noise filter. So this basically, what this does is it filters out the noise. So if your environment's too dark, for example, you can mess with it until you don't get any kind of these pixelations popping up, basically just artifacts due to noise. You can filter that out, and all you have to do is, once you're happy with it, so when there's absolutely no movement, you can put your hand in front and just check that it's still picking up motion. So that's pretty cool. And you have this the motion smoothing. What that does is it then gives a little trail behind the motion. So if I go back out of here, close that for a second, it kind of leaves a trail. So if something goes on the screen, you'll kind of see. So just kind of think of my hand as like something that's moved past. It kind of gives a trajectory overview of what's happening. So you'll basically see like a little trail. So say for example a little bug flew past, it'll look like a little dot that has a trail behind it. So that's kind of cool as well. You have a picture mode, so you can take a picture and you can record from here as well. You can simply just start recording. I'm not going to do it here because it's asking for permissions, so I'm going to close the app. So there, when you're recording, it goes here. When you're done, you simply go to the settings, and up here you have your evidence folder, and your stuff appears here. You can then upload it. So basically this doesn't save directly to your camera roll or anything like that. I need to update that so it's able to do that. Just Android's file system is a bit of a pain. So what this does is it allows you to upload to like Google Drive, for example, and then download it back to your device and review it. So that's basically that. It's just some kind of file management at the minute. I obviously will be updating that so you can save it right to the camera roll. I just need to figure out how to do it. But yeah, that's basically just a little overview. I'm going to close this one down. I'm going to show you this one as well. So you basically have to connect the camera here. So this is a PC version, and it works very similar. This has more features. It has auto capture and stuff like that. So there we go. Same kind of thing, you know. This is for the PC, obviously, and you can run this with Kinect sensors as well. So there is a plugin. If you go to www.appydroid.net, there's a plugin which allows you to basically use OBS as a virtual camera. The OBS has a plugin already for the Kinect, so basically this software will then just see the OBS virtual camera down in the bottom settings here. So you just click on virtual camera, start the OBS software, and then your SLS image will be on here, and you can still take advantage of all the controls, the sensitivities and stuff like that. And there's also the auto record feature, so if something appears on the screen it will automatically record, stuff like that. You have your mic array at the side here. You can also do separate recordings. You can record video and audio separately. And yeah, so that's basically the Windows PC version. The mobile version is based on this version, but obviously it doesn't have all the features. I've tried to take out as much of the features I can that I can put into the mobile version. And yeah, so that's basically, guys, as I'm just waffling on, so I'm going to leave it there. The mobile version should be available on Android, the Google Play Store, very soon. It'll be absolutely free of charge that you can mess about with, and you get that kind of SLS feature in there as well, the motion, the figure tracking and stuff like that. It's not jittery like those other ones. You know, if you've tried, like, I don't know, like Ghost Tube version and stuff like that, you'll notice it absolutely maps to all different things. You know, the confidence score is way too low to be kind of useful, in my opinion. So yeah, that's just my opinion on it. So this version isn't like that. It doesn't map to random things or anything like that because it's using the AI version. So yeah, that's basically, guys, I'm waffling on, so I'm going to leave it there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye then now.